So I let my chickens free range, just out in the open, and it's kind of interesting. It's cool to watch how they will actually separate into their little mini flocks within a flock. This here is Pecker. His name is Pecker because he likes to peck, but he's actually not aggressive, even though he's looking at us like that. He's got some big spurs down there, and he would be the number 2 if I had to guess. And he actually has a group of hens that like to follow him around. There's a third one back behind the well there.